Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G Vijaya Manorama. Subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. So today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions. Second part, the living world. Okay, the living beings, about the living beings, about all the living organisms. So yesterday we have discussed about the few points which you need to remember. Very important. So next session I'll come with the notes part. Okay, so multiple choice questions. Why I am coming with, because it is very important for your board examinations. So whatever the multiple choice questions I am giving, it is very much useful for your boards as well as for your NEET also. Okay, so chalo. So present scientific names have been given to how many? So you can answer in the live chat. So it is 10 million species or 1.7 million species, 3.9 million species or 1 million species. Oh, sorry. It is 1.7 million species. Study of principles and procedures of classification of organisms are called as taxonomy. First step of taxonomy is characterization. Taxonomy comprises with taxonomy comprises with classification, identification, again classification and nomenclature. Two times it is given. Taxonomy comprises with, it is with nomenclature. Okay okay so which among the following is called as the father of taxonomy? It is Linnaeus, Carl Linnaeus it is. Okay, the father of Indian systemic botany is, the father of Indian systemic botany, Theophrastus. Okay, so Historia Generalis Plantarum was published by whom it was published? It was Engler and Prantl, or Hudson, or Bentham and Hooker, or Jan Ray. It is John Ray. Okay. The book Philosophic Zoologic, published in 1809, was written by C. Darwin, Huxley, L. Oparin, or Lamarck. Who is this? It is Lamarck. Species Plantarum and Systema Natura was written by. So these all questions are very important for your NEET as well. So very carefully you have to just go through with the sessions, as I am not taking prolonged sessions or big, very small with multiple choice questions. So it is easy for you to understand and answer also. It will be a good practice for you. Okay, so species Plantarum and Systema Natura were written by, it was written by Linnaeus only. Okay, next question. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy because of one of his contribution. What is his contribution? Genera Plantarum, or binomial nomenclature, or described nearly 10,000 plants and animal species, or Die Naturlichen Familien. What is it? 10th question. It is due to the binomial nomenclature. According to binomial nomenclature, two words used for naming a plant or animal are, what are they? It is genus and species. Okay. Corvus splendens is the scientific name of Indian crow. What does it represents? It represents the binomial nomenclature, or autonyms, or tautonyms, or synonyms. It is autonyms. Type specimen described along with holotype is isotype, paratype, topotype, or syntype. What is it? It is paratype. Okay. So scientific names were first standardized through ICBN, ICZN, BSI, ZSI. These all full forms also very important. Scientific names were first standardized through ICBN. Okay, International Code for Botany, Botanical Names. Okay, so the category that includes related families is class, phylum, order, or kingdom. It is order. The fundamental taxonomic category or basic unit of classification is genus, species, subspecies, or variety. It is species. Next, organisms which can freely interbreed and produce fertile offsprings and have similar coded information or blueprint for making these organisms are called species, tribe, genus, subgenus. What is it? It is species. Okay. The concept of genus was first proposed by Linnaeus, Brunfels, Bentham, or Julian Huxley. Who is this? It is Bernfels. Okay. Who gave the biological concept of species? Aristotle, Ernest Mayr, John Ray, Carolus Linnaeus. It is Ernest Mayr. Hinny is a hybrid produced under natural conditions by crossing. What is this Hinny? You have to tell me. Male tiger and female lion, or female horse and male donkey, or male horse and female donkey, or female tiger and male lion. What is it? It is male horse and female donkey. A genus having many species is known as polytypic, monotypic, polygamic, both 1 and 3. The 21st question, polytypic. So, which of the following chemicals is used for poisoning the specimens in herbarium technique? Mercury chloride, silver nitrate, hydrochloric acid, or mercury chloride? Two different. Okay. 22nd. It is mercury chloride. This is wrong. The international size of herbarium sheets. Okay, what is the international size of herbarium sheets? It must be 41 into 29 centimeters. Okay. So, which of the following is not included in the minor herbaria? Regional herbaria, college herbaria, national herbaria, local herbaria. It is national herbaria. Central National Herbarium is situated at Chennai, Kolkata, Dehradun, Mumbai. It is Kolkata. National Museum of Natural History is located at Mumbai, Washington, Delhi, London. It is Delhi. Largest zoo in the world is situated in London, Chicago, Washington, Kruger. It is Kruger. The concept of key was introduced by John Ray, Bentham, Linnaeus, Hutchinson. It is John Ray. Most acceptable concept of species is static concept, biological concept, typological concept, genetic concept. It is biological concept. The term new systematics was introduced by Linnaeus, Bentham, Hutchinson, Huxley. It is Huxley. Okay, group of organisms that closely resemble each other and freely interbreed in nature constitute a species, genus, family, and taxon. It is species. ICBN was first revised in 1961, 64, 75, 53. It is 75. The term taxon refers to name of the species, name of the genus, name of the family, or a taxonomic group of any rank. It is a taxonomic group of any rank. The basic unit of classification is genus, species, order, all of the above. It is species. Species for suffix for subspecies is Fitina, Oidea, Inia, or none. None of this. Okay, it is ACA. Okay, next, a group of plants and animals with similar traits of any rank is Taxon, species, genus, and order. It is taxon. Which is less general in characters as compared to genus. Family, division, class, species. It is species. What is the correct sequence? Genus, species, order, kingdom, species, order, phylum, kingdom, species, genus, order, phylum, kingdom, phylum, class, order. It is D, kingdom, phylum, class, and order. Okay. Metabolism refers to release of energy, gain of energy, catabolism, gain or release of energy. It is gain or release of energy. What is nomenclature? Genus name is written after species. Genus and species names are written in italics. Genus and species have the same name. The first letter of genus and species name is capital. So what is nomenclature? It is genus and species names are written in italics. This important points when I have discussed yesterday I have discussed these all points. So the term phylum was coined by Linnaeus, Cuvier, Haeckel, Theophrastus. It is Haeckel. Okay. Next, binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus, Hugo de Veris, John Ray, Huxley. Who is that? 42. 42. Linnaeus is the scientist who has given. Species found in different geographical locations are called sympatric species, allopatric species, sibling species, morphospecies. It is allopatric species. What is homonym? Identical name of two different taxa or two or more names of same taxon. Name given to a taxon in local language or species name repeats the generic name. Identical name of two different taxa. The biologically cohesive unit of taxa is phylum, order, genus, species. It is species. The scientific name of mango is, everyone can answer 100 out of 100 this question. Okay, it is Mangifera indica. All are same I have given, no? It is actually Mangifera indica. Okay. Nicotiana is a, what is Nicotiana? What is Nicotiana? Is it a species or subspecies, genus or class? It is a genus. Where is my pen? It is a genus. Okay. Next. Energy flow is from, okay, energy flow and energy transformation. One minute. 45 I have removed. Species 46. Okay, it is Mangifera indica. This is the right answer. Options were I have typed it wrong. Okay, genus. Next, energy flow and energy transformation in a living system follow biogenetic law of thermodynamics, law of limiting factor, or Lebesgue's law of minimum. What is it? Law of thermodynamics. The definitions which I have given homework, in that I have given this. Energy transformation is never 100% efficient because of catabolism, entropy, homeostasis, or anabolism. Entropy. The defining characteristic of living being is they reproduce, they can digest their food, they respond to external stimuli, or they regenerate. What is the right answer? As they respond to external stimuli. That is the right answer. If you respond, then only it means that you are alive. Okay? So the defining characteristic of living being is they respond to external stimuli. So this is about 50 multiple choice questions. Some more also I will come across. So don't worry. Just to follow me, follow all my videos, whatever the queries, which type of sessions you want, which type of doubts you need to clarify. So those all things you can ask me in the uh, either in the comment section, or better it is if it is with the telegram channel. Telegram link is provided in the description box. You can just join me there. Okay, so like करो सेशन को, शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for all the notifications. Okay, bye bye, take care, be strong, be confident. Okay, bye bye, all the best.